Herbs are often overlooked as part of your garden, but I would say that they are actually something that you need to consider growing before you even grow produce. For one thing is they really bring in the pollinators, which will help you get a larger harvest of everything else in your garden. And often, most herbs you plant have really high amounts of essential oils, so things like deer don't like to chomp on them. And right now, as winter is getting, near the middle, we're starting to think about spring. This is the time of year when you need to start planning out and thinking about seeds and plants, making plans of where you're going to add new things in your garden. And you really can't go wrong with planting too many herbs. I mean, really, is there such a thing? I don't think so. Anyways, check out the article that we wrote over on neverfreefarm.com and see what you think about it and let me know. And I'd love to know, what are you going to grow this year?